How do you get your Texas real estate license in 2026? Let's break down every step. The Texas real estate exam is administered by Pearson VUE and consists of two parts. The national portion has 80 scored questions plus 5 pretest items. The state portion has 40 scored questions plus 10 pretest items. You get 4 hours total to complete both sections. You need 70% on each section to pass. The total application fee is $206, with a separate $43 exam fee paid to Pearson VUE. Before you can even sit for the exam, you must complete 180 hours of pre-licensing education through a TREC-approved provider, covering 6 mandatory 30-hour courses, including Principles of Real Estate, Law of Agency, Law of Contracts, and promulgated contract forms. Let's look at the content breakdown. Real estate contracts makes up 17% of the exam. Agency and fiduciary duties is 13%. Property ownership and land use is another 13%. Finance and settlement covers 11%. Real estate math is 10%. And the remaining 36% covers marketing, appraisal, and Texas-specific laws. For the state portion, expect heavy focus on TREC licensing rules, standards of conduct, agency and brokerage relationships, and promulgated contract forms. Here are 5 Texas-specific topics that trip up most candidates. First, TRELA, the Texas Real Estate License Act, which governs all licensing requirements. Second, TREC rules and regulations for standards of conduct. Third, the Texas Property Code for landlord-tenant relationships. Fourth, the Texas Deceptive Trade Practices Act for consumer protection. And fifth, Texas homestead laws, which are unique and heavily tested. One critical thing many people miss is the sponsorship requirement. After you pass, you get an inactive license. You need an active Texas broker to sponsor you in real before you can legally work. Ready to pass the Texas real estate exam on your first try? Visit openexamprep.com for free practice questions covering both the national and state portions. No credit card required. Start your free prep today.